Look around. Nature's life pulses through everything around us, in the air we breathe and in every feeling we carry. It's more than water, mountains, or trees. It's the source of life. We get so caught up in our problems that we often forget, without nature, we are nothing. Sometimes we just need to pause and feel this connection. It not only gives us strength, but also helps us realize how deeply we are linked to it. And in these moments, the world feels a little closer. Imagine trees creating the oxygen that fills our lungs. Oceans cooling the planet, keeping the balance so we can exist. The sun rising every morning, giving light and warmth, essential for everything alive. Nature works for us every second, asking for nothing in return. We might think we're controlling nature, but in reality, it gives us everything. And all it asks for is our respect, attention, and love. Look at this world, at its beauty, its strength. We are part of it. Nature is always with us. Its beauty is in the simple things. The rustling of leaves, the flow of a stream, fields changing colors with each season. Do we ever take a moment to feel it? Do we stop to think about the countless amazing processes happening every day to keep this rhythm of life? Nature isn't just beauty, it's our home. And even when we push it to the edge, it continues to share its energy with us. It gives us food we often take for granted, resources for building, and inspiration for art. Think about it. Nature is our partner, our support. Without it, we're no more than guests on this earth. And if we take care of it, it will always give us strength and beauty. So let's honor and protect it every day. Because nature is more than just a backdrop to our lives. It's the source of our existence. Nature is the art of life.